From our childhood, we know that one form of species can give rise to another form of species. This is evolution. However, it is a little different in real life. It is not instant and it occurs gradually over a period of time. Speciation is a form of evolution wherein one species gives rise to another species. Biologically, two organisms belong to the same species if they can interbreed and produce fertile offsprings. If organisms do not satisfy these two conditions, they are considered to be of different species. Organisms belonging to the same species can look very different from each other. But till the time they can successfully interbreed and give fertile offsprings, they are considered to be of the same species. Speciation can occur in four ways: allopatric, sympatric, peripatric, and parapatric. Consider a species of snails living together happily. Due to geographical isolation, the population gets divided. Each divided population evolves separately. After a time period, they cannot reproduce together, meaning they have evolved into two separate species. This type of speciation, due to geographical isolation, is called allopatric speciation. Peripatric speciation is similar to allopatric speciation. Geographical isolation occurs at the periphery, isolating a small population. This small population evolves separately from the parent population.
Over a period of time, two species are formed that cannot mate. The geographical barriers can be a river, an ocean, mountain, valley, etc. Random genetic differences may arise in a small population, leading to altered preferences or behavior. The new population evolves within the same area, leading to the generation of separate species which can no longer interbreed. This type of speciation, wherein the two species evolve together without any geographical isolation, is called sympatric speciation. When the surrounding area or the niche of the population changes due to factors like pollution, it leads to the generation of two niches, one original niche and the new polluted niche. The species in the new niche undergo random genetic differences to adjust to the new niche. Partial spatial isolation leads to parapatric speciation, that is, the snails in the clean and polluted area become two distinct species over a period of time. However, the two species are connected through a hybrid zone.
Parapatric speciation is slightly different from sympatric speciation because the evolution of the new species takes place in a separate niche, and in sympatric speciation, the evolution occurs together. A similar effect is seen with a population around a large water body, wherein continuous differences in the species are observed due to the presence of garbage at one end. In the case of allopatric and peripatric speciation, geographical isolation leads to genetic isolation. However, in the case of sympatric and parapatric speciation, genetic isolation leads to geographical isolation. We can also say that this is due to ecological isolation, as the genetic differences changes the ecological behavior of the organism. Also, peripatric and parapatric speciation occurs in a small niche. To summarize it, allopatric speciation occurs due to geographical isolation, and both species evolve separately. Peripatric speciation is like allopatric speciation, occurring at a small level. where geographical barriers separate the species at the periphery, and evolution occurs separately. In parapatric speciation, due to ecological changes, genetic differences occur leading to speciation. Evolution takes place in an adjacent niche. In sympatric speciation, ecological differences or random genetic changes occur in a small population which reproduces and evolves within the same niche.